Hello friends, welcome to KL Tutorial Point. Thank you for your support. For more knowledge, please do subscribe, like and share to your friends. In this video, I am going to explain about circle and few node points to find which type of circle it is. In this video we are going to learn about what is a circle and how it look like and how it forms. Now let us move to topic circle. Here the locus of points which are joined by a curve and are equidistant from a fixed point is called a circle, or in another definition, a simple closed figure or a simple closed curve consisting of all points in a plane which are equidistant from a fixed point. Is called a circle. Here the fixed point O is called the center of the circle, and the constant distance is called the radius of the circle, and it is denoted by R. R means radius of the circle. And here the path followed by a circular object is a straight line. That means you clearly know in given diagram. Please clearly watch the diagram. Give few points. With the help of these few points we can find which type of circle it is. Now let us move into node points. First one, if r is equal to 0, that means radius is equal to 0, then the circle is called point circle. Do you understand that? If r is equal to 0, then it is called point circle. And second one, if r radius is equal to 1, then the circle is called unit circle, because the radius is 1, so it is called unit circle. Now third one, if radius greater than 0, then the circle is called real circle. Fourth one, if radius r less than 0, then the circle is called imaginary circle.